The front end looks really good.
I lost the grill.
And something else is like dangling down.
That's my toe strap, dog.
Nobody wants to see that.
Because if we get stuck today,
Oh.
you got to jump in the talk
Toast?
and tow me out.
Okay.
Like that from shoveling off the snow.
Yeah, I saw that freaking happen.
It's okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is gonna be lit. As always with Bobby, when Bobby's here, we always do crazy shit. So if you guys don't know who Bobby is, say what's up.
What's up?
Hi.
Hi.
Who are you?
Girlfriend.
So what we're doing today, we're gonna turn this FRS into one of the sickest rally machines you guys have ever seen.
Sickest? I don't know about that.
No, I don't know how this is gonna go, honestly. We're pulling the wheels off, and I'm gonna throw some big ass studded snow tires on this thing on Forester wheels. So they're probably like that tall, wouldn't you say? They're pretty freaking tall.
I don't know if they're that tall.
I don't know, they're kind of big. So
what size are they?
They're 16-inch wheels, but they're like 225, 70, 16 or something. They're freaking massive.
Okay.
I'm guessing I'm gonna have to pull my wide body kit off to run this setup, and I kind of want to anyway.
This is gonna look so retarded.
I know, that's why I'm doing it.
This is gonna be so stupid.
How?
Guys.
You tripping? So
are we just gonna like mob over this hill right
probably
here?
not that one right there, but all the snow like in the back. You guys should have seen me trying to get this thing out this morning. I had to pull out the Tacoma, hook it up. Well, first of all, the air ride was frozen, so I had to remotely freaking air it up. And then battery was dead. I had to freaking jump the car. I had to do a lot of crazy things to get it out. It took like 3 hours. So yeah. Oh shit, we still got tape on here. That's your side. Let's get started. I'm gonna pull this thing in the shop. The only thing I'm kind of concerned about is the new wheels and tire, the new wheel and tire setup clearing my airbags. So I may have to run spacers, like bigger spacers.
Scary.
I know, especially when we're standing it. And then I'm just gonna have the car aired all the way up, which is gonna make it super stiff. But I think it's gonna work. It's a little floppy. We're kind of like just fucking this car up.
Baby, yeah, I know. I'm like, what are you doing?
Wait for the rebuild 2.0. It's gonna be lit. High the car goes.
That's not very high.
We're still gonna send it though.
Oh, but we're gonna take the wide body kit off.
Probably gonna have to.
Yeah.
And then, but no, those other tires they're like, I would say like they're this tall, so it's gonna raise the bottom of the car up. So all that shit we're gonna send.
Oh Lord.
Full sned. See, we even got the sticker to prove.
Full sned head. Full sned head.
You're weird. Watch this.
Oh my gosh. Devin just literally doesn't care about anything. Look at you just waddling over here.
I waddle everywhere.
Watson.
Let's do a little comparison. Oh shit, they're like an inch taller. That is mint.
They're gonna look so sick.
I know. Good thing I don't
Look at that dedication in the face.
Good thing I don't have my Brembos on. Actually, no, those have never cleared Brembos. Alright guys, I'm gonna pull the wide body kit off regardless, so I think that's the first thing we should do.
Alright, let's get to it, head.
Come here. What do you think of this thing we're about to do?
I think it's really cool. Sure. It's cool. Cool.
Should we get to it?
See. Oh no, our paint job is coming off.
You gotta admit, it might look kinda cool.
Did I really just feel like, okay, picture this. A spray painted, scratched up, missing fog light, missing grill, half spray painted, peeling paint, FRS, missing wide body.
No, it's not necessarily gonna be missing the wide body. What it's gonna have is cut out fenders, clearance for the new wheels. So you gotta change perspective on life.
Okay.
I'll show you how wide my wide body is. Alright guys, well here is how the car looks with no wide body on it whatsoever. This really shows like how freaking wide the car is. Especially the rears. You like the new setup? She's aired out, ready for Stance Wars 2019. Not.
Hee ha hee ha hee ha.
What's hee ha mean?
I don't freaking know. Devin taught me it.
Right.
I'm not the weird one. He is, I swear.
All right, bruh. Bruhs. Let's do it. Let's throw on these fat ass freaking snow tires.
Let's do her. Let's do her dirty. All aired up.
Yeah, she looks sick.
Look at that beautiful post hook just sticking out.
I'm gonna loosen up my lug nuts right now.
I'm gonna loosen all your lug nuts.
You can loosen up my nuts.
Wouldn't that be tightened?
I just hope the new setup's gonna fit. If it does, I'm gonna whip this thing all around Spokane. It'll be my new daily driver for winter. Oh, clamp. You excited?
Not really.
What?
Are they even gonna fit?
I don't know.
Oh Lord, I do.
Look at that! All the bag clearance as well. Frick yes. That is so sick. That looks really good.
Are you joking?
No, it looks sick. You don't think so?
Look at the camera straight in the eye.
Damn. That looks really good actually. Look at the fitment. Not a dog. No, I'm being for real. It looks good.
Look at straight in the eye and say it looks good.
It looks good. No, I'm not even kidding.
You're not even kidding.
Not even kidding. After that, it's flush.
I don't see anything. And the wing like doesn't even fit right
Watch
anymore.
This. We're gonna let her down. Oh, it didn't move. Hell yeah. Dude, it works.
Dude?
Dude. Alright, let's do the other side real quick.
No. It like bounced.
Well, let's go for a little ritz. You think it's gonna do good in the snow? Or do you think I'm gonna get sucked over? I think it's gonna do pretty good.
I think it's gonna be fine. They're snow tires. Let's just get a good look at it. Oh. Big old dirt. You know, what I'm really liking about this build, follow me.
The camber. The front camber looks sick. Alright, you wanna have first dibs at rally?
I don't know how.
Okay.
I only know how to rally the Forester.
You wanna film me rallying?
Sure.
Alright.
But I kinda wanna ride with you.
No, you gotta get from the outside perspective so everyone can ride with us.
Where do you want me to go?
I'm rallying over you.
Oh Lord. Oh wait.
What?
Bumper is falling off.
Where? Oh, that's fine. It'll still hold.
This isn't the ultimate rally machine. This
Not
is
bad.
This is called the weenie rally machine.
Bullshit.
My Genesis could do better.
I can rally harder, watch. I should get in the third gear tape.
Come on, baby, focus. Nice. Would you like me to push?
No, you're gonna drive it and I'll push.
Okay.
But once you get going, you can't stop. Ready? Forward, second gear, camber down. Rip it! Rip! Go, go, go! Send it!
Better rally session than you. Just kidding. What'd you think?
That was pretty sick.
Thanks.
Hopefully I can get going again.
Kind of smells like a
Fart. Poor bumper.
Oh no.
Here, hold this
Look how the snow, it's like getting shoveled in there.
Alright, I'm again running start.
Ow! 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 My freaking hand. Oh Lord, Devin and his freaking running start. Wait, I'm gonna go work here.
What's that head?
Babe! Oh my gosh, the bumper. Oh my gosh, it's like a shovel. Literally the whole entire way, it was like, literally it looked like it's just gonna bend. Honey, you were mobbing. I think that was a little too fast.
I said harder.
No, like I could see you definitely flipping something doing that.
What the fuck, I'll never flip.
This is pretty tall, I think you might topple over. What do you think?
I want to rally more.
No.
I don't know where at though. I really want to rally some more, but Bobby's not letting me. So.
I don't know. I'm gonna go look at the back end. I just think she's had enough.
You want to do a personal rally session with indoors with me?
I would love to.
Go. Let's send it, boys.
This is the last rally session of the day.
You ready for the sesh?
Sure.
I think with more weight in here with you, it should do better.
Ow. Oh.
Is this stiff?
Oh my god. Is this gonna pop a bag?
Yeah. Holy roosted!
Ripped the bumper!
It's kind of still on.
Kinda? Why do we gotta go around the tree so many times?
Should I hit a third gear? I try to shift fast in it.
Oh my gosh, it's so stiff.
Imagine this, just cruising down the way.
Honey.
Pick up all the bitches with this car. Serious question, alright? I don't know if it's focused, but say I was driving down the road and you saw this car. What would you be like, damn, that's fucking dope?
No. I'd be like, what is wrong with that car? Hey baby, can you come and tie my shoelace real quick? Please!
Freaking shoes are stupid.
You got them for me.
I know, I hate them. Should we see how low we can get it to drop? Oh, that's fast.
Wow.
That's it. Get nervous. Should we go throw the wide body on?
No!
Overall consensus, I think this thing's a badass motherfucker. And alright, one challenge. Let's have a challenge real quick.
Okay.
You want to have a race?
With what?
Forester versus FRS
No.
in the field.
No.
Start right here. Whoever can make it around the tree, you have to slide the fuck out of that corner and make it back to here. Whoever loses pays for dinner.
Okay.
You want to do it? Are you gonna wreck into me?
Maybe.
Motherfucker, let's go. All right, boys. Wish me luck. You're gonna honk. Ready to honk it off?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Fuck! No! Oh, you're not gonna win! No! All right.
What up with it?
No more turnip grass. I just came to that corner a little hard, you know? Could have had you.
If you were a really good driver like Mama, then you would just all the way around the tree.
I passed you, motherfucker.
Yeah, I know, because I felt myself sliding. I thought I was gonna wreck into you.
Shit.
Hop in. We'll mob over to the Forester.
I need a tow strap.
Okay.
See, that's why I left my tow hook in. You have all-wheel drive.
Oh, that's not
cheating.
what you said before.
That's cheating.
This thing mobs way better than this now.
This thing does really good. I think there's a tow strap under this motherfucker. There you go. All right, pull. There we go. There we go. That's the sub. Hell yeah. All right, what do you want at McDonald's?
That's what I get for my dinner?
Yeah. How many times did you burn your clutch just now?
A lot.
Nice. I could have won.
What?
I should have won.
How? It's a rear wheel drive broken piece of... Never mind.
It looks sick. It's just so stiff though with that damn suspension. That's why
Oh my gosh, what?
I couldn't soak up the bumps like you could with my air ride aired all the way up.
You think so, huh?
I think so. Well guys, here's how she turned out. Oh, we're good. Just a little fall apart. I think that's gonna be the end of today's video. Unfortunately, I gotta go get Bobby dinner now.
See, that's why I took up that deal. I just knew in my heart.
You knew. Well, that's bullshit. I should just spun out. Like, I should bring the you want to go again? Evo versus?
No, versus Forester.
You have snow tires and I don't. How about this? You and the Evo and me and the Forester.
No, I'm not ruining that car.
Okay. Well guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. The FRS is a little sad, but it's fun. This car's, I had way more fun today.
Oh my gosh, sorry baby. Just look at it through the camera.
Is my exhaust bent? It's actually kind of funny though, because I think I had more fun in the car today than I've ever had in this car.
Really?
Pretty sure, yeah. So I might keep it like this. No, I'm kidding. The rebuild of this car will start, I don't know when, pretty soon. It's gonna be nice again. I know we kind of just destroyed some shit on the car, but we're gonna fix it. It's gonna come back better than last year.
And also, tell people not to worry.
Not worry about what?
Because you know all the haters are gonna be like,
I don't have haters.
What?
I don't have any haters. There's people that don't agree with what I do, and that's fine. I have a weird vision for weird freaking ideas, and I have a hell of a time doing it, so I don't give a shit what nobody says.
Oh, his eyebrows are getting real tall.
I don't care what nobody says. That is gonna be the end of the video. Really freaking hope you enjoyed it. Say hi to Bobby. Say bye to Bobby, I mean.
Bye guys.
Any last words?
Not really. I just hope you guys enjoyed our rally session.
That was sick.
That was sick.
Props on winning.
Thanks.
You have a $2 budget at McDonald's. Love and appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow.